Warning: some car fans may find the following content disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
Snow, long straight road. What could possibly go wrong? More snow and again a long straight road. Perfect. Brakes, an essential accessory in any vehicle.
Сами чувствуете, будем продолжать. Я думаю, Коля, если бы ты там был, то ЭГГ, что было бы шторено и полное. Я из самоубийц на толпу обдолбанных...
Eyes are an essential accessory for humans, especially when driving.
Дальше у нас еще криминалов сегодня много. В Москву били следователи по особо важным делам, Евгений.
Oh yeah, Jesus Christ! I mean, for any of you, it worked out.
So you have no idea. I don't think anyone gets the real perspective.
Oh,
when Joe
fucking
is
hell!
On something. I've never seen anything like that in my fucking life.
Well, I know the funniest because like everybody's competitive, and this brings it out.
Well, that
but,
sucks.
The funny thing was.
Take the next right onto Merced Drop at 138 left, 20 west.
Fucking stupid motherfucker! Fuck you!
It's always a good idea to cut off anybody that is twice the size and mass of your own car. Just do it. Parking Skills 101, How Not to Park. I hope you learned something today, kids. As my mama always told me, a car crash video a day keeps the doctor away.